Good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here is a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. We do have offices in three parts of the globe. Apart from that, we do operate our own proprietary hedge fund. Now, the proprietary hedge fund means that we only trade our own capital. We do not, take somebody's capital to trade. So even if you give us 1 million, 2 million, whatever amount, we don't trade your money. We take positions on our own capital. This is the meaning of proprietary. Just like the US hedge funds, our proprietary hedge fund also cover FICC, fixed income, currency, and commodities and equities. Apart from that, we do have our learning platform, which is Sheetal Academy, our OTT platform, TRFX Academy, and many more platforms. If you wish to have any information, you can definitely WhatsApp or my personal number, which is +91 9899 242 978. Alternatively, you can WhatsApp on our back office, which is +91 9818 485 155. India is moving into a territory whereby anything can possible. Even you cannot dream of, even that thing is also possible. And the most important part of the game is that the legal firms and the regulator is with you. So if the legal firms and the regulator is with you, there is not at all issue that you are going to be facing. Today, I would like to bring one such issue before you. But before I bring, let me show you something. This is the latest magazine of Fortune India. You see this Fortune India, it's the latest magazine. It is costing around 200 rupees. And here they have covered the unicorns: Flipkart, Byju's, Zomato, Freshwork, Oyo, Ola. How many of them are profitable? You know. So this is the latest magazine. And in this magazine, if you see, they have mentioned or they deliberately, market these unicorns, and the only thing they left is the profit. We definitely have a detailed video covering this magazine. Please be rest assured. So I just wanted to show you out. Now I wanted to speak about a topic which is very latest. So before I continue, let me read a news for you. The news is today, which is 12th October 2021. Reserve Bank of India issued a small finance bank license to the consortium of Centrum Financial Services and digital payment platform BharatPe, said two people familiar with the matter. The new bank license has been issued after a gap of nearly 6 years. And we thank you, RBI, for the confidence showed in the abilities of the Centrum and BharatPe. Remember, earlier on June 18, the Reserve Bank on Friday gave in principle approval to the Centrum Financial Services to set up a small finance bank through which non-bank entity will merge with PMC Bank. Remember, non-bank entity will merge with the principal with the PMC Bank. Remember this very carefully. So in short, Centrum and BharatPe, according to the information published in Economic Times, and we shared a copy of that article on our media desk on Telegram, which is free of cost. Anyone can refer them. We charge nothing for that. So they got the license. Now, if they got the license, definitely BharatPe and Centrum Capital must be very capable companies on paper. I went to a website called EN Tracker, and again, the copy of that EN Tracker already shared on our startup desk. So Treasury Consulting operate a startup desk. You just need to open the Telegram and type startup desk. In 2019, financial year 19, the operating revenue of BharatPe is zero. Financial year 19, BharatPe operating revenue zero. Financial year 20, it is 6 crores. By the way, 4 lakhs less than the 6 crores. So between financial year 19 to financial year 20, revenue is 6 crores. You would be very surprised to know that in financial year 19, they reported a loss of 23 crores. And here in financial year 20, they reported a loss of 216 crores. So I am talking about a company who got a license to operate as a small finance bank, who lost 23 crores in financial year 19 and 216 crores in financial year 20. Now you must be thinking that what about financial year 21? Here the media helped them a lot because media said that BharatPe revenue in financial year 21 is 700 crores. But in the whole Google, at least I can say the 30 minutes time I spared in the whole Google, the loss figure was missing. But had it been BharatPe was in profit in financial year 21, they would have shown in a big heading, BharatPe reported 1000 crore profit in 2021. But this is Indian media who knew that in financial year 19 they got 23 crores of loss, in financial year 20 they got 216 crores of loss, and so what they did, they just showed the revenue figure of 2021, which is 700 crore, and forget the rest. So, and very interesting part is that, but in the article they somehow missed this part, which, BharatPe raised $300 million in equity and debt. And who all are the funding? The funding partners include Sequoia, Amplo, BNext, SteadView Capital, and Insight Partners, Ribbit Capital, and Cotiu Management. Now, BharatPe got the license. It means that the valuation of the BharatPe will rise. If the valuation of the BharatPe will rise, it means the investment done by these venture capitalist firm will also rise. Now, let me move this to a very good, interesting story. I'm just taking a break because this will help you to, to have clarity. MobiKwik got the IPO approval. How dare you can say MobiKwik is a loss-making company? They got the IPO approval. You have no right. The only thing you can do is to invest in MobiKwik. Don't say it's a loss-making company again. They got the approval. Remember this. Just before the IPO, several MobiKwik employees exercised their ESOP. ESOP means Employee Stock Option Plan, in a recently opened ESOP window by selling a part of their shares in a secondary market. Now, secondary market means grey market because MobiKwik is not yet listed. It means grey market. The secondary round was led by ex-Blackstone India head. Ex-Blackstone India head Matthew Sirik, who topped up his holding at almost double the previous price. Understood or not understood? The game is private equity and venture capitalists are quite aware and certain, how they get IPO approval. Once they get IPO approval, just before the IPO or at the time of the IPO, they quit. Just like in case of MobiKwik, the Blackstone is a leading private equity firm. He quitted, and definitely he not quitted in losses. ESOP means employee stock option plan. It is given at face value. So suppose the company is having a face value of 2 rupees, it is given at face value. And at the time of surrender, which is known as after vesting period, you will get the market value. So suppose the market value is 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 1000 rupees, you get the market value. That's very important thing. Now the question here is, the similar thing is happening in all companies. Now correlate that. BharatPe, a loss-making company, is getting a joint, which is along with Centrum Capital. We come to Centrum Capital also. Approval with Centrum Capital on small finance bank. BharatPe is in losses, but these venture capitalists are on the boards of BharatPe. They get a huge profit. And just like MobiKwik, either at the time of IPO or before IPO, they quit. Retail investor will invest and regulators say, no, we are always here to invest the investor. We always here to invest the investor. And this is the evidence. Please be rest assured, there is a detailed video which is coming. Please be rest assured. Now, the question is, problem do not end here. Now the problem is like this. I got another information, which is that just hold for a minute. Yeah, sorry, there is a small gap here. Yes. The information is that Centrum Capital, I went to Centrum Capital and I went to the financial statement of the Centrum Capital, and I got something which completely, you know, I don't have any word for that. In 2017, Centrum Bank revenue was 6,900 crores. So I'm giving you a flat figure, 6,900 crores. In 2018, it was 9,900 crores. 2019, 354 crores. 2020, 469. 2021, 500. Do you know? Do you know that? From 2017 till 2021, the revenue of the Centrum Capital is net profit. In 2021, they reported minus 41 crores. EPS, do not ask me. Return on equity, debt to equity. Do you know the debt to equity of Centrum Capital? 3.32, which means if you're holding 1 rupee of equity, your debt is 332, which is debt to equity, which means on 3 rupees and 32 paisa. If you're holding 1 rupee of equity, your debt is 3 rupee 32 paisa. This is Centrum Capital. As per June quarter, the latest, 32% of the promoter holding is pledged. As per June quarter, 32% of the promoter holding is pledged. How much is the total promoter holding? Around 38%. Out of 38%, 32% is pledged. 38 into 32% is pledged. Excellent. Excellent. BharatPe financial performance, Central Capital financial performance, and they got the license. They got the license to be a small finance bank. Story not ended here. Story starting from here. I'm opening Google right at front and checking. SBI chairman Rajneesh Kumar joined BharatPe. Rajneesh Kumar, former chairman of SBI, had joined the board of fintech firm BharatPe as its chairman. Kumar's experience across Indian financial sector will be an invaluable addition to the board of BharatPe. It has been a trend in a recent while that retired Indian administrative officers, IAS, lawyers, big fours, and the ex-banker. Previous to that, the lady who used to head SBI, she is also on the board of companies. Just try to correlate these things. BharatPe extremely weak in financial performance. Central capital issues with financial performance. Venture capitalists are on the board. Immediately after IPO approval of MobiKwik, people started selling their shares. I just wanted to ask one thing. If your company is strong, your company is competent, why don't you held the shares you got in the form of ESOP? If I am on the board of MobiKwik or I am an employee of MobiKwik and I got the shares as ESOP, employee stock option plan, and I knew that my company is coming up as a listing, I would never sell this if I am competent thinking on the company, which is not the scene here, which is definitely not the scene here. Rather than they hired SBI chairman as a SBI ex-chairman as their chairman. So a loss-making company, how would they be? How much they are paying to SBI chairman? Let me ask a straight question. Is SBI chairman joining a loss-making company only for salary, or he asked to join to use his contacts? Just correlate each and everything and you will get to know what exactly is happening in India. Indian scenario is like that. If you are having a scooter, assuming, or bike, or maybe car, or maybe anything, if you bypass any red light, the police person will say, show your license, RC, this, that. Suppose any other car bypass the red light, police person will say, drop your window. He will say, I am the son of MLA. What would we say? I am the son of this industrialist. It is shown many times in Bollywood movies. The similar scene which I am telling you, shown many times in Bollywood movies. And there are ample of Bollywood movies which are full of these stories when, police are under the pressure of politicians and all. But I just wanted to ask one thing, that if sparing 2 hours on BharatPe and I would say the Centrum capital, I got this much information, how come RBI do not have this information while giving the small finance bank license? Is the small finance bank having the money by aliens? Is the small finance bank is having money by people from Mars? Is this small finance bank would have money from China or Europe, London, Paris, France? The money is by people from India, and they deposit their hard-earned money in this small finance bank. We have many small finance bank. In fact, we made a video also that small finance bank are lending in a wrong direction. Very recently, we saw issues in AU Small Finance Bank. We saw issues in one more small finance bank, the leadership issues. You know which small finance bank I'm talking this about. Irrespective of having that, and you know what would be the next step? I guess the next step would be they would hire some Bollywood personality or maybe some cricketer, because AU Small Finance Bank is advertised or endorsed by Mr. Amir Khan, Three Idiots, and the lady who was a leading actress in the Sher Shah movie, by these two Bollywood celebrities. And you would be very surprised to know that both these celebrities are taking a guarantee that if tomorrow AU Small Finance Bank stops working, they will pay you. In India, the problem is people do not know what is happening. And after looking, made several videos on BharatPe. I made several videos every day on these venture capitalist firms, and I'm telling you that Indian financial system now is completely controlled by private equity and venture capitalist firm. And the new twist is that everyone want, ex-IS officers, Indian Administrative Service, bank chairmen on their board. You know how? Is this ethical that a chairman of our largest, ex-chairman of a largest bank in India is joining the board of a company who is not profitable? Okay, I give you, sir, another 2 years. I give you another 2 years, you make BharatPe profitable and I'll do what you want. But ethically. If you really think you are a banker, if you really think you are a banker of SBI, then I challenge you, sir, stop all venture capitalist funding in the BharatPe now. And convert BharatPe into a profitable company without a single dollar support from a venture capitalist firm. In 2 years, I give you 720 days. If you are able to do that, I make video about your advertisement on my YouTube channel. That is my promise. But make sure that in the next 720 days, not a single dollar will enter in the books of BharatPe from venture capitalist or any private equity firm. And let BharatPe raise the money in the form of debt from Indian banks. On paper, we always proclaim we are here to support investors, but this is the reality of the Indian media. And the reality is that Centrum Capital BharatPe got the license, MobiKwik approved IPO, Zomato, Devani International, and your Barbecue Nation, and I am not short of examples. And media is already set. This is Rahul Magan from Treasury Consulting Group. Those who felt offended, I repeat, those who felt offended, note this number: 9899242978. This will help you. Because you know what would happen? Once these both companies, the small finance bank would set up, some analyst from Morgan Stanley or maybe other brokerage house will come and say, hey guys, this small finance bank will go to buy Apple in another 1 year. Morgan Stanley will say, hey guys, this small finance bank would be buying Microsoft in another 2 years, I'm telling you. Some other brokerage firm will say, hey guys, I see BharatPe would be Tenicorn. Tenicorn means 10 times the unicorn. Another one will say, hey, This small finance bank having a potential to be Goldman Sachs in another 2 years. I'm telling you prediction right now. Have you seen the interview by the Morgan Stanley person? My video is coming. Mr. Morgan Stanley, the interview which you given to this TV, my video is coming. Note this. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting Group. Have a great time ahead. Oh, have you bought Centrum Capital shares? Buy tomorrow. Have a good time. This is the video which is dedicated to the Treasury Consulting Group. And to be very honest, we are keeping this video now onwards at the end of every YouTube video. And all the courses by Sheetal Academy and Treasury Consulting Group. There are many questions people generally raised about Treasury Consulting, the products, the services, and we reply these questions on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and variety of forums. But the quantity of questions, the queries are continuously increasing. Henceforth, we decided to make a video. Of course, this is not the only video which we are making. Rather, over the period of the time, we would continue to upgrade this video, to be precise. First of all, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group. We are based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. As we speak, company is around 5 years plus old, and more importantly, we are 100% cash rich company. Unlike the so-called unicorns, without quoting the name, and even if I quote the name, it's a fact that they never touch the profit. The company is in profits from inception. So since inception, the company is in profit. So we are a 100% cash rich group, 0% venture capitalist, and 0% debt. More importantly, our legal entities invest our free cash with mutual funds and international banks across the globe. We are a client to almost top 10 mutual funds in India, and that is the reason we do have holistic information about the mutual fund industry in India. That's a separate thing, that majority of the information never comes in public domain. Even if a fraction of the information comes in public domain, this fraction of information come for one day, and then how it happens. So as we speak, we do have three legal entities: India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we are a cash rich group, and we are having 0%, which means not a single cent invested by any venture capitalist or private equity firm. The company has not taken debt from any bank, financial institution, or hedge fund. So we are a zero debt company. That is something which we need to understand very holistically. The following are the products and services we do have about Treasury Consulting. The more detail is coming at the as the video progress. We have our own proprietary hedge fund. Many people in the world do not understand the meaning of proprietary. The proprietary means no party outside Treasury Consulting can invest in our hedge fund, which means that we trade with our own money. We are not accepting anybody's money. Even if you give us any amount of money, any proposal on the table, it is completely rejectable. So proprietary is a word which is often used in United States and Europe, but unfortunately this is least used in India. The proprietary means people trade their own money. They do not trade somebody's money. Even if tomorrow, after listening this video, you come to us and say that I give you $1 million to trade my money, I will say thank you very much. We are literally not interested. We hold our own proprietary fund, and that fund would continue to be proprietary, which means that the outside participation would continue to be zero forever. This fund includes the equities desk, the commodities desk, we have our virtual comics platform. More importantly, we have our OTT Academy. OTT stands at over the top, just like we are having Amazon Prime, we are having Netflix, Disney. There are so many, OTT platform we have worldwide. Our OTT platforms is not as big because they started 6 months ago, but thankfully we are having handful of customers and they are growing. In our OTT platform, we are creating video and uploading at the back end of our platform. People with authorized login ID and password can see these videos. Apart from that, no one else is authorized to see these videos. As the video progresses, you will get to know that as we are having around 13 plus, which is 1 3, 13 plus different series as far as the OTT platform is concerned. As we speak, August 2021, it is 13 plus, and we are continuously adding more series. Our idea is very clear. We will reach to 35 or probably 40 series in another 1.5 years of time. We are having our learning arm, which is Sheetal Academy. The details of the Sheetal Academy is given at the end of the video. We have our own family office desk. Rather, very soon, our hedge fund would be a part of our family office. We have our own pension fund desk in terms of consulting. And there are 62 plus different platforms which are listed on our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. So as we speak, we have our proprietary hedge fund, we have our equities desk, we have our commodities desk, we have our virtual comics platform, our OTT Academy, our penny stock desk, Sheetal Academy, family office, pension fund, and variety of such platforms. TNFX Academy, which is our OTT platform, over the top platform. This platform is having 13 plus series. Now, few I mentioned, basic series, moderate series, advanced series, valuation series, treasury series, wealth management platform. Wealth management platform is actually integrated with TRFX Academy and would continue to be integrated because of course we would be investing heavily in the wealth management platform. When we speak about wealth management platform, we speak about the learnings. We are not talking about the trading. There is a difference. It's a training platform. Remember this. We have 13 plus different series, like few are basic series, moderate series, valuation series, advanced series, treasury series, research and analysis series, and we have variety of such series. So please do remember that. As we speak, we have around 180 plus videos live. Every week we shot 10 videos. So every month we are adding around 40 to 50 videos, and we keep adding more and more videos as the time would come. The target is very clear that we would be having more than 2000 plus videos probably in another 2 years of time, which means a dedicated private platform for learnings. So what is the wealth management platform? A wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. The asset classes includes the fixed income, currencies, commodities, credit derivatives, structured derivatives, and many more. So I repeat, a wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. Wealth management platform is also designed to cover continent-wise topic. Continents are United States, Europe, AXI, Asia excluding India. We have excluded India because the financial markets in India are very, very shallow. Very shallow. Like if you speak MTN, medium term notes, if you speak about any exotic derivatives, nowhere people are taking this. In fact, you know that I worked as a corporate treasurer. Even today, 99% of the treasury function in India are working as a cost center. Hardly 1% are working as a profit center. Hardly 1%, to be honest. So the continent wise include United States, Asia excluding India, Asia excluding Japan, India and Japan, global financial centers like Singapore, Dubai, Hong Kong, Luxembourg, Switzerland, and respective, and of course Latin America. We are creating a wealth management platform which would be covering everything. Example, CDS, credit derivatives. India is not a market of credit derivatives. Reserve Bank of India on paper allowing credit derivatives, but neither we have buyer nor we have sellers of credit derivative. So on paper you have credit derivative, but practically you don't have the credit derivative in place. Henceforth, we really need to understand that if we wanted to talk about credit derivative, the only markets are US, Europe or Singapore. India was not a market, is not a market, and would continue to be, because we are doing nothing substantial to create a credit derivative market in India. That's the reason, even after a lot of frauds which are happening, banks are just writing off the money from their books. Simply writing off the money from their books. Had it been the credit derivative, banks would be able to get their money back. But once again, if you talk about this issue, people don't understand because they are not interested to have this. Anyways, a wealth management platform designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. And very soon, this wealth management platform would link with our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. And of course, we would be adding crypto as well. That is most important. We are planning around 1000 plus wealth management videos by December 2022, which would be covering continents like United States, Europe, Japanese market, Asian markets, global financial centers, Latin America, the tax havens like Bermuda, BVI, Caribbean and respective, and structured finance, my favorite. 1000 plus videos would be covering almost everything as far as the wealth management is concerned. We would be covering a very simplistic and the plain vanilla topic. At the same time, we would be covering the exotic topic also. So basically, our wealth management platform is for the people, those who are having zero knowledge, and it is also for the people, those who are having advanced knowledge. Please understand that. It is not designed for the people, those who only have basic knowledge, or the people who wanted to have exotic knowledge. People with the basic, moderate or advanced, they all can participate. This is our TRFX Academy, a screenshot taken from our fixed income platform. This TRFX Academy is our OTT platform, which is over the top platform. And in this TRFX Academy, we are of course interlinking the wealth management platform also. I promise you, probably in another 1 to 2 years of time, we would be adding a lot of content in our wealth management platform and of course our TRFX Academy. Only people with the login ID and the password can enter into this platform, and of course on a weekly basis we are trying to have at least around 10 plus videos, so that we would be able to reach to the target as far as the December 2022 is concerned. And we are committed to it, sir, to be honest. Treasury Consulting Group having own learnings platform, which is known as Sheetal Academy. As we speak, Sheetal Academy is covering around 13 plus schools. Few are mentioned here. The World of Options, Option Worlds, School of Nifty and Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics, and more schools are coming. Before I change the slide, the purpose of Sheetal Academy is to create a learning platform which link with Thomson Reuters and Bloomberg. We know that we have many learning academies worldwide, and I challenge all learning academy, how many of them are actually linked with Reuters and Bloomberg? I often share Reuters and Bloomberg screenshots on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter. Hardly I see. In fact, limited people in the world are sharing the Reuters and the Bloomberg platform screenshots, because the question is it requires a very deep and dense knowledge. Once you are sharing the screenshots, people generally ask questions from you, and you should have a knowledge to reply. That is more important thing. Very soon we have more schools coming. So as we speak, we are having Option World, Nifty, Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics. The other schools are School of Trade Finance, School of Regulatory, School of Treasury Technologies, Functional Training. We have functional trainings, forensic trainings, information technology trainings, regulatory trainings, and technological trainings. As we speak, around 200 plus trainings are listed. More trainings are coming over the period of the time. All these trainings and everything are integrated with our fixed income platform. You visit our fixed income platform and you would be able to get all trainings and all information here. Apart from that, we provided you the WhatsApp number. You just WhatsApp if you have any query, and in most of the cases we reply if we feel that the query is genuine. So the Sheetal Academy is a platform whose job is to provide practical and industry oriented knowledge. Of course, we link with Thomson Reuters, Bloomberg TV, and many international magazines, international books, and so on and so forth to provide you as practical training. You visit our YouTube channel. In fact, the video you just listened, you can compare this video with any other YouTube channel and rest you know. Apart from that, we just launched our TCG Video World. What is that? We have people, those who working day night in their respective jobs. Some are engineers, some are finance people and all. They don't have time to attend the regular one-to-one trainings. I agree that they need video trainings, like the content shot in the video delivered to them, and as and when they get time, they listen to it. We launched our TCG Video World, Treasury Consulting Group Video World. In this video world, we have decided to have 100 plus topics, 5 already done as we speak. As we speak, 5 video trainings are live, pay and get. The only time need is the time to upload on Telegram groups. Every training at least 1 hour or 2 hours. It is a video training, so it is not a one-to-one training. Videos are recorded, you get the videos, recorded videos. Videos to be upload in the Telegram groups, because Telegram gives you the privilege to upload 2 GB of video. Whenever we feel that the video length is big, we request people to share their Gmail IDs. They can create their fresh Gmail ID and we upload the video in their Gmail ID. Which so that because Telegram as we speak is giving a privilege of only 10 GB, 2 GB. This TCG Video Worlds covering advanced trainings, moderate trainings, and basic trainings. So basic trainings, advanced trainings, moderate trainings. Please note my next word carefully. All basic trainings would be 2000, which means you choose any topic of basic, you get at 2000. Moderate and advanced training pricing depend upon content to content. So I repeat, TCG Video World is a platform when you have 100 plus topic, 5 already live, 2 hours video training. It's a video training to be uploaded in the Telegram group. If we need more space, we request for Gmail ID. Advanced trainings, moderate trainings, and basic trainings. Please do remember this. And this is live. This platform is well integrated with our fixed income platform, www.fixedincome.global. So this is well integrated with our fixed income platform. This is a glimpse of our hedge fund desk. Like I made myself very clear upfrontly that no third party in the whole world can enter in this platform, which means that we do not trade somebody's money. We only trade our own money. So no third party can enter in our platform. This is only for ours. But this platform covers equity desk. This platform covers scalping group. This platform covers commodities desk, comics platform, penny stock desk, silver scalping fund, which we just started, and more importantly the Asian desk, where we're covering Singapore and all, and the digital gold. More product we would be launching in this hedge fund, but I will again repeat, no third party except treasury consulting can enter in this fund. This is not for outsiders. This is our prop hedge fund, which is completely designed for the organization, by the organization. No third party is allowed. And we are very limited companies in the world, those who are running the profitable hedge fund. Our income and everything is really good, but we do not trade somebody's money. These are our credentials. You know my handheld number 9899242978. These are our WhatsApp numbers, our platform www.fixedincome.global, email ID rahul.magan@treasuryconsulting.in or info@treasuryconsulting.in. I assure you, probably in another 1 year of time, we would have more than 100 plus different platforms across the globe. Company would continue to be cash rich. We never allow any venture capitalist to enter in our company because we know the side effects of that, and we continue to add lots of products and services. In case you wish to have any information, these are all the credentials. Thank you guys and have a great time ahead.